Hello dear friends. Today we are providing you a video review of fashionable haircuts, cascade for girls and women. Please watch the video till the end and maybe you will find the haircut and hair need for yourself. In the last few years in a row, the well-known cascade has again begun to gain incredible popularity among millions of girls and women around the world. However, modern fashion trends still made little modifications to the usual haircut model, making it more expressive, dynamic, and unusual. Plus, modern coloring trends play an important role, which can best complement this magnificent haircut, making it even more expressive and irresistible, adding incredible volume and grooming to the hair. Modern variations of the cascade are quite versatile and diverse, and therefore any owner of medium and long hair will definitely be able to choose for herself exactly the option that she likes best, and at the same time remain fashionable and stylish in accordance with all the trends of the season. Cascade, first of all, should look slightly casual, which is the best way to recreate the effect of naturalness. At the same time, it is desirable that such a cascade be supplemented with modern fashionable coloring and one of the most popular status or balayage techniques, which give the hair a slightly burnt natural tone due to the special mixing of several shades and a special technique for distributing color along the entire length of the hair. Mandatory presence of a long bang. It can be both asymmetrical and even thick, but the most popular option will be a long bang, a rare ragged bang, which smoothly transitions into the main length with a smooth ladder. Every woman wants to look young and energetic. There is an easy way to do this: cutting and coloring your hair. You will see how not only your appearance will change, but also your internal state. The hairstyle looks great on both light and dark brown hair. The cascade harmonizes well with woven strands. Such a cascade fits perfectly into both an ordinary everyday look and a festive solemn one. You can apply a lot of modern styling and weaving to it, which will help create a truly unique and individual hairstyle. Ladies over 50 years old will be able to make a cascade haircut in its various variations. Certain design features are designed to achieve maximum harmony, taking into account the facial features of a particular woman. It is necessary to pay attention to such moments as the structure of the hair and thinning and coloring in the desired shade. Shades such as caramel, wheaten, chestnut color, balayage, and status techniques that have also been popular in recent seasons, are the best choice for women over 40 and 50 years old, especially for haircuts cascade. Growing will create highlighted accents on the strands, which are so recommended for ladies of age. The advantage of a cascade haircut is to correct the shape of the face. Haircut cascade often cut hair to shoulder length. Included in the top trendy haircuts for medium hair. Let's see what suits your face. An elongated face. Here the haircut is performed with a ladder, which begins at the line of the cheekbones. Additional volume is given to the lower part of the face, balancing the forehead and chin. Round face. This is narrowing the shape with an elongated haircut. Parting can be straight or side. A square face. Lengthening will help to soften the features, and preferably in a side parting. A triangular face. This double cascade will help balance the width of the forehead and chin. A thick bang will complement it. The bottom edge should end no higher than the eyebrow line. First, general edging is done. Then a gradual transition is formed from the longest strands to the short ones. In the process, the master slightly adjusts the tips. Round cascade. This haircut is suitable for medium-length hair, straight or slightly wavy hair texture. She has no age restrictions. Looks elegant with gray hair. This option is a godsend for owners of a flat nape, layered haircut. Round cascade. Skillfully mask the width of the round face. The splendor in the root zone makes it narrower, slimmer, and more attractive. It is better to combine it with a stylish bang, oblique, elongated, laid on its side, and tapering to the tip. For a round face, the average length will be ideal. It provides the richest styling options. The best length for round faces is shoulder length or slightly longer. This length draws out a round face. Textured edges are A+. The forehead can be either covered with asymmetrical bangs or open. Individual characteristics must be taken into account. Cascading haircuts are great and practical for creating different types of styling, as well as chic beautiful hairstyles with pattern weaving, playful curls, funny ponytails, slightly loose strands. Today we will consider cascade haircuts in all sorts of ways. Irresistible short cascade haircuts will appear in front of you, which women over 40 or 50 really like. Flirtatious medium-length cascading haircuts are very practical for women of any age category. Stunning long cascades in the chiseled styling, which have become a priority for sophisticated and elegant girls with well-groomed and luxurious strands. For you, we offer new photos of cascade haircuts, which are offered to us by hairdressers of the world, recommending not only how to perform cascading haircuts, but also how to style hair with this traditional haircut. Fashionable cascading haircuts will be able to transform the look of any girl and lady because the cascade will always emphasize and highlight notes of individuality, as well as a unique chic appearance. Cascade haircuts are suitable for women with both straight and wavy hair, so hairdressers use this effect with great pleasure to change the image of many ladies at a given age, breathe freshness and give zest under tired strands. It doesn't matter if you are a young student or a confident businesswoman, or a housewife who wants to enjoy life with might and main, the cascade haircut will be interesting for you, because its variations are multiple, and the styling is charming and cute. Cascading haircuts are your opportunity to change, rejuvenate, become even more beautiful and younger by getting beautiful haircut options. Dear beauties, we wish you that the world in your eyes is always brighter, beautiful and kinder. Let all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching the review to the end. The best thanks from you is to subscribe to our channel, like and share the video with friends and family. Up to new meetings.